Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be walking you through how to create an MLA formatted document. So the first thing you want to do is scroll on up to here where you see the fonts, and you want to type in Times New Roman. Now for me it just automatically shows up, but if it doesn't for you, just keep typing it in. Then go ahead and click Tab, make sure that is 12-point font. Okay. Then what you want to do, head on over to line and paragraph spacing. Make sure you're in double spaced. Go ahead and click it again. Go to line spacing options and make sure that this after right here in spacing says 0. Now the other thing you want to check in terms of formatting is to make sure that you have the correct margins. So you want to go to Layout, Margins, and just make sure it says 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 inch top, 1 inch left, 1 inch bottom, 1 inch right. Oop. Now, right up here, you're going to type your name. So I'll use my name as an example. You're going to type in your teacher's name, whatever your teacher's name is. So let's just say it's Professor Smith. Why not? Smith is the default name. You want to add the date. So this is, and well, you want to add a day, month, year. So this is 5 January 2018. Okay. And then the subject, English, whatever your subject is. Then one more space, center a line, add the title of your paper. Now you're not done just yet because you also need page numbers. So what you want to do is come up to the top of your document, double click it. Now you have basically a whole new document within a document. So you want to go back and adjust the settings, so Times New Roman, 12-point font, and the last thing you want to do is right click. And then you want to put your last name here. Then you'll go to Insert. You want to go to Page Number, top of the page, right. Oop, that deleted my name. It's okay, just add it again. Make sure you're in Times New Roman, 12-point font. And there you go. And that is your document, all ready for you to go.